The Mallachandram Dolmen site is a megalithic tomb site dating back to the Iron Age, which in India was roughly 2500 to 3500 years ago. It is located in the Krishnagiri district of Tamil Nadu. When travelling from Hosur to Krishnagiri on National Highway 44, you will have to take a small deviation 20 kilometers before Krishnagiri at Samalpallam village towards Birapalli. The Google map marking is pretty accurate and it will take you to the parking spot near Birapalli village. From here, you will have to walk on a trail for about 15 minutes to reach the rocks on which the dolmens are located. These dolmens are built over a series of hillocks in between a bushy forest area locally known as Moralparai. The site has close to 200 dolmens. So what were these dolmens built for? A dolmen is a type of single chamber megalithic tomb made with two or more vertical stones that support a horizontal slab above them. Dolmens are generally believed to be tombs or burial chambers. In some cases, human remains and artifacts have been found in them. The dolmens at Mallachandram appear like they have been built to act as a chamber for the dead to rest. Dolmens have been found across the world in multiple locations. In India, dolmens and other megalithic monuments are found scattered all over the country, but mostly found in the southern part or the peninsular India. The origin of the word dolmen is either from the Breton language, where it means a stone table, or from the Cornish language, where it stands for a hole of stone. Certain terms are commonly used with dolmen. Orthostats. These are the large vertical slab-like stones that have been placed upright artificially. Capstone. This is the large flat slab of stone placed horizontally on top and is sometimes also known as the table. Porthole. This is the hole found in the orthostat. In Mallachandram, few different types of dolmens are found. This is the basic type of dolmen built with four vertical slabs or orthostats with the capstone resting on the vertical orthostats. There is a round porthole usually made on the slab that is facing east. This basic structure may have a circle of vertical slabs around it. In some instances one layer, and in some cases more than one. When two circles of slabs are present, the outer circle is lesser in height than the inner circle. You can see this pattern in this dolmen. There are two circles made of vertical slabs. The vertical slabs of the inner circle go above the core structure. In each slab circle, there are slabs with semicircular tops alternating with slabs that have rectangular tops. The slabs with semicircular tops are taller than the rectangular slabs. Some of the dolmens in Mallachandram have primitive rock art in their interiors. In a few instances, a number of smaller dolmens are erected around a relatively bigger dolmen, suggesting that the central dolmen is for someone important. The dolmens around it may be for those close to that important person. There is one unique dolmen which gives the appearance of a primitive stupa or a proto-stupa. This dolmen has a surrounding circle of slabs of equal height fitted tightly and held in place by huge blocks of stone at the base. The space between the stone circles was then filled up with loose stones. This whole setup looks like a stupa. These megalithic tombs at Malachandram were built by people living here from locally available materials. These dolmens may have been tied to their belief systems, where they had to create resting places for their dead. Building these tombs may have been an engineering feat in those days. Making these stone slabs stand vertically and then balancing the roof over it may have been methods to display their architectural skills. Unfortunately, the Malachandram dolmen site is not a protected site, and there is rampant vandalism witnessed here by treasure seekers. People who feel that precious objects may be kept inside these dolmen have broken many slabs and have dug up many of these tombs. It is not long before these ancient megalithic monuments will be lost forever unless steps are taken to protect them.